Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the best way to take high quality photos from your videos using CapCut. So if you need the perfect YouTube thumbnail or a high-res still for Instagram, the frame capture tool in CapCut is your secret weapon. So here to find the feature, you can just use the CapCut mobile and go to the photo tools options and scroll down and you'll see the frame capture feature. So tap on that and in here you can just select your videos. Okay, for example, I'm going to just use this one. You can tap on next and in here you can save the frame up to 9 photos. So you can just use the slider in here. You can just swipe to the left to find the frame that you want to capture. You can just click on the capture button to start saving the image. Just repeat the steps. And here you can also add filter to the photo if you want to. And when you're done, you can just tap on export and the frame capture will be saved to your gallery. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.